Assalamu alaikum Moroccan family. Today we are going to make very delicious and easy to make Moroccan potato salad. To start with, adding 500 grams of pre-boiled potato cubes in a bowl. Then we will add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. We will mix it well and here you go. The delicious potato salad is ready to be served. If you like our recipe, hit the like button, leave a comment, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more updates. Happy cooking, enjoy your treat, and see you next time.